Arlo's powerful database allows you to customize field types to meet your requirements. There are a number of entities in Arlo which can have their own set of fields to store information. Contact and organization fields allow you to capture and store information directly against a contact or organization's record. Once configured, these fields can be included on your event registration forms and reports. Registration fields allow you to capture and store information against a single registration. Once configured, these fields can also be included on your event webpage registration forms and reports. Event and session fields can be used to store event or session-specific information, such as expenses. You can report on these using the event list reports. Lead fields are used on your website lead forms to capture interest in your events that you may not have running at the time. Let's take a look at how to configure fields in Arlo. To configure fields on your platform, from the dashboard, select Settings. Select the Field Settings. Then, click on the entity you would like to edit fields for. In this example, we'll use a contact. All active and inactive fields will be displayed for the entity you have selected. Before adding a new field, make sure you check the inactive fields, as it may already exist on your platform but not be enabled. To enable an inactive field, click Enable. The field will be activated for you to use immediately. To disable a field that is not required, from the Active Fields list, click Disable. The field will be deactivated and removed from your platform and reports. To add a new field to use, drag the field type you would like into the Active Fields section. Some field types have more settings than others. For example, a drop-down field lets you specify predefined input values for users to select from. You can learn about all the field types on our Help Center. In this example, we'll use a single line of text field. The field slider will open, and you can type in the field label. The label is displayed in the Arlo and on your registration forms if it is being used there. The system name can be used to import values into the field using Arlo importers. Add any additional information you would like to be displayed with the field on your website forms in the Help or Description lines. Here's an example of what this field will look like on your registration forms with the Help and Description text displayed. Once you have entered the required information, press Save and Close. The field will be added to your platform immediately. You can edit existing fields by pressing Edit and making changes. Once changes are saved, the field will be updated immediately. You can now start using the field and add it to your website registration forms. For instructions on how to add fields to your forms, see our registration forms training module.